Welcome back to Save Your Thoughts, where every dish tells a story and every meal brings people together. There are certain recipes that fill your kitchen with so much aroma, you know they are going to be good long before they're finished cooking. Makawoni Nan Sos Poul is definitely one of those recipes. If you've never had it before, think of perfectly cooked pasta tossed in a rich, flavorful sauce made with old hen, fresh vegetables, herbs, and seasoning that slowly come together into something incredibly comforting. One of the things I love the most about this dish is using old hen. It takes a little more patience than regular chicken, but that's exactly what makes it so special. You can use your Instant Pot here for this just to speed up the time. It develops a rich flavor that's hard to replicate. It's one of those ingredients that reminds us some of the best meals simply can't be rushed. To season the chicken, I'm using our Savory Thoughts Go Naive seasoning. If you've been following us for a while, you may have noticed that all of our seasonings are named after cities in Haiti. It's our way of celebrating the places, culture, and flavors that have inspired so much of our cooking over the years. Every blend has its own personality, just like the cities it's named after. Gonaive is one of my favorites because it adds incredible depth without overpowering the other ingredients. It simply lets everything shine. And then there's the sauce. As the tomato paste, onions, peppers, herbs, and seasonings come together, they create this rich, savory base that clings to every piece of the pasta. This is one of those recipes where every bite tastes just a little better than the last. I should probably warn you, this dish is seriously addictive. It's the kind of meal where you tell yourself you're only going back for one more spoonful. Then somehow your plate is empty. And if you're lucky enough to have leftovers, don't be surprised if they disappear before the next day. That's just how good it is. I also love that this recipe brings people together. Whether it's a Sunday family dinner, a holiday gathering, or simply weeknight when everyone is craving something comforting, Makawoni Nan Sos Poul has a way of making the table feel a little warmer and conversations last longer. For me, that's what good food is all about. It's never just what's on the plate. It's the memories we create while sharing it. If you enjoy discovering Haitian recipes, Caribbean recipes, African recipes, Filipino recipes, and comforting meals from around the world, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Every week we share recipes, sometimes kitchen tips, and stories that celebrate food, family, and culture. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Now go grab a fork because once you make this recipe, you'll understand exactly why I said it's hard to stop eating. I'll see you in the next recipe. Cheers.